Welcome to Algo Art AI Euro 2024. This is the first match of Group F between Portugal and Turkey. Opening games are always important to set the tone for the whole tournament. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2. The winner is the first to score 10 goals. And we have kickoff. Turkey on the attack first. They are coming back again. Oh, almost scoring there. Portugal on the counter-attack. Is it gonna? Yes, Portugal scores the first goal. Nice counter-attack. And we have 1-0 for Portugal. Turkey on the attack, and it's 1-1. Quick attack from the kickoff into goal. And it's 1-1. Turkey trying to attack, but no luck. And finally, they got some luck. An odd bounce off the Portugal defender. 2-1 for Turkey. And 2-2 from Portugal. Straight off the kickoff. It's 2-2. Turkey on the attack again, but good Portugal defending as before. Until now, when an unfortunate own goal. It's 3-2 for Turkey. Oh, a quick one again from Portugal. Just off the whistle, into goal. It's 3-0. Portugal on the attack. Another attack and into goal. Into an empty goal, undefended. (4-3) for Portugal. Oh, an unfortunate own goal again from Portugal. Under no pressure, straight into goal. It's 4. Oh, the defender being very careful this time not to score another own goal. And Turkey has got an own goal on the other side. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games its AI gets to train on. Portugal is ranked 7 and their AI model is trained on 1.8 million games. Turkey is at 37th and its AI gets to train on 1.15 million games. Portugal is significantly higher and should win this. And now it's 5-4 for Portugal. Portugal on the attack, but failing to score. Loose ball. Oh, the Portugal defender has learned to be very careful at the back, not to score an own goal. And now they are counter-attacking and it goes into the goal. (6-4) for Portugal. Turkey on the attack. Nice defending from Portugal and counter-attack again and scoring from there. Portugal are getting good at these counter-attacks, making it very efficient. 7-4 for Portugal. Turkey on the attack, almost scoring, but nice defending from Portugal and another counter-attack from the goal line all the way to the other side of the goal. 8-4 for Portugal. Turkey on the attack. Nice defending from Portugal. The loose ball, is it going to go? Yes, it's going to go in through a Turkish defender on goal. What was he thinking? And it's 9-4 for Portugal. Match point, and Turkey have pulled one back. A shot from the halfway point straight into goal. 9-5 for Portugal, another match point. Will they win their loose ball? Yes, they have sealed the game. Undefended goal, just a tap-in into goal. It was a close game at the beginning, but after the halfway mark, Portugal showed their quality and pulled ahead, ending with Portugal 10, Turkey 5. So the first game, this is how the table of Group F looks like. Portugal on top, Turkey at the bottom. Leave the teams alike if you enjoyed this game. Czechia and Georgia are up next. Subscribe to watch.